very loud. Very loud, this couch. Okay, so what is going on, guys? We are back with another video. We are here in Hong Kong. So, the plan today is we're going to go up to the Gnong Ping Buddha. It's going to be about 8 minutes in the shuttle bus to get there, and then we're going to go up in the cable car, I assume, to the monastery at the top. We're going to see the big bronze Buddha. So this is what the small shopping square at the bottom of the big Buddha. This is where you can buy food, buy drinks, buy souvenirs. And then we have 268 steps, 268 to see the big Buddha. Steps down, 262 more to go. So as stated down here, we've got 3 levels of different museums, all representing different parts of the Buddhist culture. Unfortunately, we're not going to go in today as we're on a bit of a time restriction, but it's very beautiful. Can't really take photos in here, it says it's not allowed, so enjoy the view outside. So the statue itself is 34 metres, which is 112 feet tall, weighs over 250 metric tons, and was constructed from 202 bronze pieces. In addition to the exterior components, there is a strong steel framework inside to support the heavy load. One thing we didn't mention is 268 steps up. There's also 268 steps down. So there we go, we're back in the small fishing village of Gnong Ping. Going to take the cable car back down now. We've seen the Buddha. We gave our offerings and paid our respects. So yeah, another very special moment. Very lucky to be in the position that I'm in, so I hope you've enjoyed the video. Enjoy the next clip if there is one. I'll see you in the next video.
Staring at your face for a while, boy, I'm digging your style, and I love the way you smile.
So there you have it. That was the big Buddha in the Gnong Ping Village. It was a very nice, very special day. It was nice to see all of the local monks out there praying. Obviously, seeing the beautiful views, as you've seen when we went over in the cable cars. Climbing those 268 steps to the top and back down, of course. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been very nice to make. Next up, I will be back in Bangkok, but before that, it's a special day of somebody, so I'll be making a video of that. Stay tuned. Enjoy the next video.